Prepping your bunker for SandGuard is a similar process to other bunker liner methods. First, core out the bunker down to the drainage. Repair or replace any drainage to ensure that proper drainage can be maintained. Next, compact the bunker floor. Once the bunker floor is thoroughly compacted, you will hand cut an anchor trench with a flat shovel. This V-shaped anchor trench along the whole border of the bunker will be filled with SandGuard to anchor the liner into its place. You can review our CAD drawings for more detail. Prior to mixing your first batch, ensure that you have everything you need and all the bunker preparation work is done. Check to confirm that you have all tools required for the job. You may use our SandGuard installation tools document to verify what you need. After that, oil all tools to reduce sticking. Periodically oil the mixer, the wheelbarrow, and other tools throughout the day in order to maintain their function. Finally, review the mixing ratios and procedures with your crew, and then you will be ready to mix. Mixing SandGuard is simple, but it requires consistency. The size of your mixer will determine your mix ratio. A standard batch is 2 bags of rubber, 2 bags of rock, and 10 quarts of binder. This material needs to be mixed in a mortar mixer for 60 to 90 seconds. Do not let the paddles turn for more than 90 seconds. Otherwise, the material may draw additional moisture from the air and become overmixed. Once the material is mixed, dump from the mixer to a wheelbarrow and transport into the bunker. Now you are ready to begin the finishing process. Dump the material onto the provided rubber tubing and use a concrete come-along to move the material to the proper 1-inch depth by following the 1-inch rubber tubing. Once completing that area, remove the rubber tubing and use a shovel to fill the void that has been left. You will then proceed by rolling out the area with the provided roller to smooth out the material. Once the desired area has been completed, you may mist the surface with water. This will jumpstart the curing process and will ensure the material is fully cured within 24 hours. Cleaning is also a crucial step in the installation process. Cleaning your mixer and tools is essential in order to make sure that your tools will last a long time. The mixer should be cleaned periodically throughout the day, and it should be deep cleaned prior to taking any breaks or at the end of an installation session. Begin cleaning by coating the tools with a fresh coat of vegetable oil. Then use metal scrapers and brushes to remove the leftover material. Cleaning like this should be done at least every 4 hours to discourage buildup of material on tools. The final step of the installation process is to make sure the area is protected by using barricades and caution tape to ensure no one enters the area. SandGuard is a simple product to install. Following these steps will allow you to efficiently install SandGuard during your bunker renovation.